All right, you might not be able to tell, but there's small snowflakes starting 2 o'clock here in North Carolina. Snow Armageddon 2024. All right, 2024 Snow Armageddon. School was out today. They only went like one day this week. They went 2 hours late on Monday and 2 hours late on Tuesday for hard rain. And today they didn't go at all because of the potential snow. They would have got out at 3:15. I'd just caught it at 2, been done with it. But here we go, Snow Armageddon 2024. All right, snow apocalypse for North Carolina 2024.
Can't even see it on there.
You cannot hardly see it on there. There you go. Let me zoom in. There it is. It's coming down now. No school, and Tony got sent home early from work. See how the roads are covered up there? It's terrible. Snow from the backside of the house. All right. The snow apocalypse 2024 has turned over to freezing rain or sleet. I think it might be sleet because you can hear it. So yeah, that's the latest on this snow here. As you can see, the road out there in front of the house is covered. And the walkway, in the driveway, the patio, the bushes, the cars. So yeah, there you go. Mostly a sleet event now. Hoping we don't lose power. Hey, if you're watching this video, like, share, and subscribe to Dot's Adventures. There is Jocelyn outside playing in it. She's made a round snowman, and now she only needs 2 more parts to actually have a snowman. She started right here. Here it goes. The little one.